What's up, guys? First video of 2021. I finally fixed the mic situation. What was going on is I was using earbuds. You know, it's like all the YouTubers saying, get a lapel microphone. So I finally went to Best Buy and picked one up. So, and that basically solved it, I'm pretty sure. I did a quick test on it, and now I bet you can hear me very clearly. I kept having to turn up the volume, and it still wasn't enough. Yeah, I was just using earbuds, so don't mess with those if you're having that issue too. I'm over 20,000 miles, a little over. So, usually I do 10,000 miles a year on a bike, but that's when I used to commute every day, or almost every day on a bike, but I kind of stopped doing that now. I had to change the battery. That was on its way out. So I picked it up in February of 2018. So just about 3 years. Yeah, like motorcycle batteries do not last that long. I never seen the nature areas by me. You know, usually there's parking areas, and then like then there's that overflow that always happens into the street. But man, everywhere now it's like the overflow is like being extended. Like I never seen this many people out and about after like these few years of riding, going out to these areas, because these have the best roads, of course, for motorcycles, with the twisties and the scenery. But I'm pretty sure by you too, all the areas, these areas, like everyone's going out hiking and everything. I wouldn't pass here. There's like, this road is so uneven. I think they put up a sign on the other side like, oh wow. Yeah, I just got kicked off the seat right there. I don't know, hopefully they're good. Let's check on them. You guys good?
Yeah, we're good. We just lost it a little bit, but...
A little bit? Yeah.
Just give us a little hand.
Yeah.
Oh. ¿Sí va a prender bien? Ahorita vemos si prende.
Let me try to flatten this, kick this. Watch out.
Okay. Okay. I'm good. Thank you, man.
You guys coming down here or up? Was it coming down? Looked all good. It's all muddy there. Yeah, that's one of the harder ones. This guy's pretty good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm not sure what's going to be next, if we'll do a Virago or maybe some maintenance on the XSR, the spark plug maintenance, but we'll see. Till next time.